You've heard of Hasselback potatoes, how about Hasselback salmon? This salmon side gets stuffed in every slice with spinach, cream cheese, toasted pecans, turning the whole thing into a sweet, savory, crunchy showpiece that tastes like the holidays decided to hug you. And today we're going to be using MOWI Atlantic salmon sides. Now this salmon is a MOWI salmon side that is always fresh, never frozen, and best of all, you can easily get it on Amazon fresh. At a click of a button, it's delivered to your home pretty much instantly, and once you get it, you're set to go. You'll notice right away a deep orange color and that marbling that shows that it's quality Atlantic salmon. And once you remove it out of the package, pat your salmon dry with a paper towel. Okay, now you want to get a really nice sharp chef knife, and we want to make some slits vertically all throughout the salmon. It's really important that you go vertical, but not all the way through to the skin. Remember, this is like a Hasselback potato. It's partially cut with each slice down the salmon right before the skin. So go ahead and make these vertical lines about 1/2 inch apart, all the way down the salmon side like this. This gives you a nice, neat little pocket for the stuffing. And between each one of these slits, we're going to be stuffing it. Let's chop up some shallots, a little bit of garlic, and add that to a pan with some olive oil. Saute that carefully. And to this, let's add some frozen and squeezed chopped spinach. Now we're going to make it a little bit creamy by adding some cream cheese to this and allow that heat to melt the cream cheese throughout. And it wouldn't be the holidays without pecans and cranberries, so go ahead and chop up some of the pecans, cranberries as well, and toss it in there. And this is the consistency that you kind of want. A little bit creamy, very spreadable, and this is all going to go inside of the slits of the salmon. So go ahead and take some spoonfuls, a spatula, and spread it right through the slits. Don't worry if it gets a little bit messy here. You want to really just get it between each layer of salmon. Beautiful. And we're going to pop this into the oven. Now, usually I like to cook my salmon in air fryers, but there's no air fryer that's large enough for this salmon side. So we're going to turn on the oven at convection heat at 425 degrees. Yes, that is super hot, but that's the best way we're going to be able to mimic that air fryer temperature. But first, let's season with some salt, a little drizzle of olive oil, and now we pop it in the oven. Once it comes out of the oven, you've got a centerpiece that practically serves itself. It's festive enough to impress during the holidays, yet easy enough that you won't break a sweat while entertaining. It's the kind of dish that makes your guests think that you secretly hired a private chef for the night.